Nestled amidst rolling greens and manicured lawns, the name of Country Club stood as a beacon of privilege and exclusivity. Its pristine facade, a testament to wealth and leisure, masked a darker reality lurking beneath the surface. Members bound by affluence and social standing moved with an air of casual indifference, oblivious to the storm brewing in their midst. Days at the club unfolded with predictable rhythm, the rhythmic thud of tennis balls, the clinking of glasses from the clubhouse bar, and the hushed whispers of business deals struck on the golf course painted a picture of idyllic charm. But beneath the veneer of camaraderie and sportsmanship, a current of jealousy, resentment, and unspoken secrets simmered. For those who called this exclusive enclave home, life seemed to unfold at a leisurely pace, a world away from the harsh realities that plagued the outside world. Little did they know a storm was brewing, one that would shatter their peaceful existence and expose the fragility of their perfect world. The illusion of paradise was about to be shattered. A crime of passion, fueled by envy and deceit, was about to stain the pristine grounds of the name of Country Club with the indelible mark of murder. At the heart of this tragedy lay Victim's name, a woman whose life was tragically cut short. She was the epitome of Country Club charm, described the victim's personality, interests, and social standing within the club. Yet beneath that polished exterior lay a vulnerability, a secret that would ultimately lead to her demise. Our story also introduces us to Suspect's name, a fellow member whose life was intricately intertwined with the victim's. Describe the suspect, their relationship with the victim, and any potential motives or suspicious behavior. As the investigation unfolds, we encounter a cast of characters whose lives have been irrevocably touched by this heinous act. There's name of another prominent member whose connection to both the victim and suspect adds another layer of intrigue to this intricate web of relationships. And then there's name of a staff member, a silent observer to the club's intricate social dynamics, holding perhaps the most crucial piece of the puzzle. Each character, with their secrets and desires, played a crucial role in the events that unfolded, ultimately leading to a tragic end. The seeds of discontent were sown long before the fateful day that would forever alter the landscape of the name of Country Club. Whispers of financial troubles plagued Victim's name, Suspect's name, casting a shadow over their seemingly perfect life. A series of heated arguments between Victim's name and Suspect's name became a source of gossip among the club's rumor mill, hinting at a deeper conflict brewing beneath the surface. Was it a love triangle gone wrong, a business deal gone sour, or something far more sinister? As tensions escalated, witnesses reported witnessing heated exchanges between the victim and suspect, their voices laced with anger and resentment. The once peaceful grounds of the Country Club became a stage for a drama of betrayal, deceit, and ultimately murder. The idyllic facade of the name of Country Club was irrevocably shattered on the morning of date, when a chilling discovery sent shockwaves through the community. Describe how the body was found, focusing on the shock and disbelief of the person who discovered it. The tranquility of the morning was pierced by sirens as police cars descended upon the once peaceful grounds, their flashing lights a stark reminder that evil had penetrated their sanctuary. The news spread like wildfire through the tightly knit community, leaving a trail of disbelief and horror in its wake. The name of Country Club, once a symbol of exclusivity and privilege, was now the scene of a gruesome crime.